Hey guys, welcome to part 2. In this video we will be setting up users and exchange server. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this and yeah, we now go to start programs, add administrative tools, and then come up here to active directory users and computers, and then here this is where all of our this is where all of our users will exist. So for example, I want to make a user called Minetheground, and I want to be able to make him the same user as this user, which is the default user, which is the highest privileged user here. So to do that, we just right click, copy, and then we put in our name here, first name, just put in, I think you can just do Mineground here, and then mtg, and then down here that I'm just gonna put in mine, press enter, and then next, and now we put in a password. Sure you have this checked, and then press next and finish. So now I have a new user account, which is what I am gonna use in here. I think you can go over here, title, member of the start the following program at logon. Anyway, let's go to general, and my description is like manager. I manage the mailbox server. There you go. Now we go down here, apply, and okay. Now I'll just close that. Now we have the virtual machine 1 finished. So now we go back to home, and we'll create a second virtual machine. And yeah, let's do that. Let's start the virtual machine, and I'll just skip through the installation because this is the exact same. Hey guys, so now I'm back. So this is some of the setup to that I've completed. So then after this, there is some different things too that you have to select now. So firstly, you see that internet information services are selected, but if you double click this, it will open a different menu, and you want to select all of these so that we can make the whole thing work. So let's press OK, and then we need to select message queuing services. So let's do that. And that should be all of the things here. Let's press next. Let's put in our thing here, and I'll pause the video again because it is going to be the same. So now we just do Control Alt Delete and we put in our password again. And yeah. Yeah, so now we need to configure this. So let's do that. So this is message queuing service, and we just press next. Press finish. There we go. That should be all good. So now let's do that. And now let's go to Start, Settings, Control Panel, and then Network and dial-up connections, and then Local Area Connection, just as usual, and then go to here, and then down here you want to use the IP address that we use. Like that. So we want to use this IP address. There we go. That's okay. And yeah, that's okay. Close. Now go up to here, and then right click, Properties, and then go to here, and then do Properties, and then down here put in your domain name, which if we go here, that is mtg.org. So let's do that. mtg.org, and then we need to put in our username, which is used. So if we go to Programs and go to here, inside of here we have Minetheground, and to connect we use this mine, and this part is already works. And also to make sure that you can connect, do ping mtg.org, and also you can use whatever name you want for your domain. So yeah, and then you do mine, and then put in your password like that. And now if you've done this correctly, it should say welcome to mtg.org domain, which is a nice message. You want to see this? Press OK. You must reboot. Let's do that. And now we now we change this to mine, and then you put in your password. Right. Oh yeah. So in here we need to change it to mtg. I'm not sure why they don't change this by default, but anyway. And now we're logged in to our domain. This is not the local this is not the local user. This is from this server over here. We now can install Exchange. So we go up to VM, and then removable devices, and then come up here, settings, and then browse, and then find your Microsoft Exchange Server Enterprise Edition, and press OK. Go in here, and now it opens this full screen application, and now we can set up server and components. And then here we want to install Microsoft Exchange Server 5.5. So let's do that. Accept. Typical. And now we need to put in a product key. Let's press agree. And now we can name our organization and site name. So we can just leave it the same. Press OK. And now we put in the password for our user that will manage this thing. So yeah. Now press OK. Setup is make sure the system is ready for installation. Service. What? Setup is starting the World Wide Web publishing service. What? This is definitely a mistake. There's like 2 services here. Microsoft, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Anyway, you fix. Oh, it's not fixed. Why is this a thing? Why is this a thing? Ah. Now let's run optimizer. Next. And then here, press next. Right? Press next. And then so basically this tests how good your performance is, and it will store it in this location, which is system32, and this log file. Now we do start programs Microsoft Exchange, and then come up here to Microsoft Exchange administrator. Let's do that. And then here do browse, and then do select this server, and then set as default, and OK. In here we do new mailbox, and in here we can can put in our name. So Minetheground. And then put and that should be okay. Do that. We can put in our address if we want to, but I'm not going to do that because it is not required. So now come down here and then select primary Windows NT account, and then do either do existing or create a new one. I'm just I'm going to use my user because like I can do that. So let's do that, and then you you must do this. Okay, let's put in um, mine. Okay, and then over here, email addresses. This is your email address here. But now we just apply and okay. So now we have a new mailbox. That is that will be the end of part 2. I'll I'll do a part 3, and yeah. So in in today's video, we installed the X exchange server, and as and we made a mailbox, and yeah. So in the next video, we will be setting up the e- e- email client, so that we can send emails to other computers to that is a part of the domain. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this um part 2 of this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.